Okay children, now we have the counting from 1 to 50 here. So this, we have the symbol of 5 and we have the symbol of 10. Okay, so here 1 2 3. Now we cannot repeat this like 3 lines 4 times to write 4. Okay, so the how to write 4, 5 minus 1, 5 minus 1 4. So this is 5 and minus 1 4. Now 5 symbol we have, now 6, 5 plus 1 6, 5 6 7, 5 6 7 8. Now we cannot repeat it again one more time, as it is, it can be repeated maximum 3 times. Okay, now how to write 10, how to write 9, 10 minus 1 9, 10 minus 1 9. The same, we will follow the same method for 11, 10 plus 1, 10 plus 1 11, 10 plus 2, 10 plus 3, 10 plus 4. This is a symbol of 4 and this is 10, 10 plus 4, 10 plus 5, 10 plus 6, 10 plus 7, 10 plus 8, 10 plus 9, and this is 10 plus 10, 20. Like this we will write all the Roman numeral. Okay, now this is that symbol of 10, 20 mean 2 times, 30 repeat 3 times, 40. How to write 40? Okay, we cannot repeat it 4 times. So 50 minus 10, 40. We have the symbol of 50, that is L. So 50 minus 10, 50 minus 10, 40. Okay, now how to write 60? This is 50 plus 10, 60, 50, 60, 70, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90 we cannot repeat one more x here to make 90. Okay, so what we will do, we have a symbol of 100, so 100 minus 10, that is 90. So this way we will write the counting. Okay, so now we will solve the first question, that is the write in Roman numeral. So here they have given few like Hindu Arabic numeral, so we have to change into the Roman numeral. The first thing, first of all, split it in ones and tens. Okay, this is ones, this is tens. 4 tens mean 40, 40 plus 4, 44. So what is the symbol of 40? 50 minus 10, 40, and this is 4, 44. 68, 60 plus 8. Okay, so 50 plus 10, 60, and this is the symbol of 8, 40. How to write 40? 50 minus 10. The 40 is minus 50 minus 10, 40. Clear? Now 98. 90 plus 8. How to write 90? 100 minus 10, 90, and this is 8. 84. 80 plus 4. So 50, 60, 70, 80, and this is 4. Next is 99. How to write 99? 90 plus 9. Ones tens. 90 plus 9. Okay, this is 90. 100 minus 10. 90, and this is a symbol of 9. 79. 70 plus 9. 50, 60, 70. This is 70 and this is 9. 54. 50 plus 4. This is 50 and this is 4. Okay. 100. We have the symbol of 100, that is C. Now the next is, they have given us the Roman numeral and we have to write it into the Hindu Arabic. Okay, so there the first question is, this is XL. XL means 40. This is 40 and 9, 49. Now LXS, 50, 60, 70. This is 77, 77. Now 100 minus 10, 94, 94. XL, 40, 42, 42. Again XL, that is 40 and this is 5. Okay, again try to split it into ones and tens. Okay, this is L mean 50, V mean 5, 50 plus 5, 55. LX, 50 plus 10, 60, this is 3, 63. 50, 60, 70, and this is the symbol of 4, 74. 22. XC, 100 minus 10, 90, and this is 1, 91. This is 50, 60, 70, 70, and this is 5, 75. XL, 50 minus 10, 40, and this is 6, 46. Now next is XC, 100 minus 10, 90, and this is 7, 97. Okay, XL, this is 50 minus 10. Okay, it is written at the left side, it will be subtracted. Okay, so 50 minus 10, 40, this is 3, 43. So now next question is, fill in the blanks. Okay, the symbol dash 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 cannot be subtracted. I told you the symbol VLD cannot be subtracted and cannot be repeated. So in both the question the same answer will be there. It cannot be subtracted, it cannot be repeated. Repetition of a Roman numerals mean addition. Okay, I can be subtracted from, I told you I can be subtracted for next two symbols, that is V and X, and X can be subtracted from next two symbol, that is L and C. X is 10. 10 can be subtracted from 50 and 100. Each of the symbol I, X, C, M can be repeated at most 3 times. Okay, maximum it can be repeated 3 times, not more than 3 times. The next question is, which of the following symbol are not meaningful? Write the correct numeral wherever it is necessary. So here they have given few symbols. You have to see that whether it has any meaning or not. Okay, if it is not having any meaning, so you have to write the correct answer for that symbol. Okay, the first one is 4 times X. They have given 4 times X. So we cannot repeat it more than 3 times. So it is a meaningless. So the correct 10, they want to write 40. Okay, so 40 we have a symbol, 50 minus 10, 40. So this is the correct numeral. Now Vx, okay, V cannot be repeated. It can never be written at the left side because it cannot be repeated. So it is meaningless. So 10 minus 5, it is written at the left side. They want to write 5. So 10 minus 5, 5. This is the symbol of, correct symbol of 5. Okay. 2V, we cannot repeat it V. Okay. So 5 plus 5, 10. This is the correct symbol of 10. Now this is 50, 60, 79. 79. This is the extra 9. So this is the correct 79. I cannot be, like, this is 50 minus 1, 49. They want to write 49. So this is not the symbol to write 49. 49 we used to write like, okay, 40. 50 minus 10, 40, and this is 9, 49. V cannot be repeated. So V plus V mean 10. Okay, 50 plus 10, 60. This is the symbol of 60. L and C. Okay, L cannot be L cannot be subtracted. Clear? L cannot be subtracted. So 100 minus 50, 50. This is the symbol of 50. Now 2L, again it cannot be repeated. So 50 plus 50, 100. This is the correct symbol of 100. Now we'll start with the next question that we will do in the next video. Thank you very much.